Alright everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about 3 ways I actually made money online as a 16-year-old kid when I left my job. This is actually going to be, this is not going to be one of those videos where I'm going to have an affiliate link in the description, be like, guys, buy my course. Like, this is generally what I did when things weren't going as well for me with my marketing agency, and this is how you can actually make some general cash. And I'm telling you, this is not going to be one of those videos where people fucking say it and you're like, oh yeah. Like, trust me, as soon as you watch this video, you will immediately be able to do this. I guarantee, I promise you. If you don't, leave a dislike, but don't leave a dislike, leave a like rating. Whatever. So the first way was eBay. Now, reselling old stuff. Guys, let me tell you, if you're trying to, save up for a camera or do something to pursue something you want to begin with, I don't know, start paying for your fitness qualification, or I remember when I did that, but you just need some cash. Trust me, guys, you have so much shit in your house right now you can sell. It's unreal. Okay, I'm gonna put up some screenshots here. For instance, your PS4. You're gonna have to be let loose with gripping on all these things that you barely even use anymore. First thing I said was my PS4. I had a fucking iPad Pro. You just don't need it. If you need that extra cash, and generally you're not in a job, and you're not gonna spend it on bullshit, but again, it's up to you. And when I say bullshit, it's I don't know, but really, you can do that, selling a PS4, and just chucking it on eBay. It fucking works. And guys, all these other things, like a fucking TV, I don't know, your old phone, flipping, literally, I'm gonna put up screenshots right here. As you can see, eBay. I've got 2 old laptops on there. I've got all these things basically. So yeah, the number 1 way I made was eBay, and even through, guys, I actually did my research as. I used to be a huge fan, I still am a huge fan of Disney cars. There is this one car which I'm going to put here, £165 for a diecast car that is the size of my palm. Just do your research and go on the sold listings, and it seems really overhyped and overrated, but trust me, you can easily make fucking easily money, good money, from just doing your research and selling stuff that you don't need. Especially sell your goddamn PS4. But again, it's up to you. If you just like people, but if you need some cash and you're fucking complaining, then you can definitely get rid of that. But yeah, like I say, if you've got El Matador here, you can. It's mad. Just do your research. So yeah, that's the first way, and as you can see, I actually did. Now the second way. So yeah, this was when I had one social media marketing client, actually, this was this time last year in June, but it was a fucking restaurant paying me $250, and I kind of dropped off, and then the next client was in October. The next thing I did was just doing fitness coaching. Now you're like, Ryan, oh my god, what do you know about fitness? But realistically, what I did was there were just people constantly coming to me in Instagram DMs when I was running ads. So can you please teach me? And again, I just didn't know what to charge, but as that was something that I was constantly posting, and especially on my Instagram then for, I would just have people and as you can see here, I'm not bullshitting, £100, now and then you can be, when I was in McDonald's and doing weekend shifts, £120 is what you make there, and you can easily make that once a month as a minimum, just doing some fitness coaching, writing out, actually, because again, people wanted to know what I was doing, they saw I was getting results, so I went ahead and I did this. But yeah, the second thing is having a skill that you can give to people. Now again, social media marketing is something that I do now, and if you're good at it, you paid a lot, but generally, if you're, I don't know, you can teach violin, or you're a dog walker. Trust me, these little simple things, you're not in a job, but you can get paid to do it, and you can earn the same amount as if you was in a job. Trust me, this is £100, £200 coming in, and it's not being a scammer, being one of these kids who are oh my god, but realistically, generally, things like this, I actually knew that I could help that person get in better shape, and I felt fucking amazing for doing it. But yeah, that's the second thing I did to make a bit of extra money when I was leaving, and social media marketing wasn't going as good for me. And yeah, that's the power of the internet. So as I said, it's selling, doing that. The next thing is social media marketing. Now, actually going to Facebook advertising. Now, the main way is this takes time, and if you all these gurus out there are going to promise you that it's going to be really easy, guys, it's not going to be easy. Getting clients, sure, you can maybe get a client, but if you want to actually retain them and get them paying you, I don't know, whatever amount, £500 a month, you're gonna have to be really good at your service and delivering some insane value. And I'll be honest, if you're going to the local restaurant down the road, that's probably not gonna happen. But if you're like working with some e-commerce store, or perhaps generally what I work with CrossFit gyms, if you're actually good and you have a good low ad spend, yeah, again, this is talking into an SMA talk. But basically, those are the 3 things that you can do as a teenager, or what I actually did, the first 2 things in particular, when I generally wasn't making as much money, to keep me going, when I didn't even have a job, and when I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? I've left my job and now I'm doing SMA. But in general, the reason why I didn't have a client was because I was being lazy. But yeah, pretty much that's that. And it's really crazy, like if you just put some elbow grease or whatever into it, again, Facebook Marketplace, it's amazing and it fucking works. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man, please. And punch me in the face, and I'll see you in the next video.